heard you got that drip, 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 drip. Yes, I sent for my wrist, 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 wrist. Paparazzi sound like flick, 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 flick.
Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be restoring this frontal wig for someone, and I'm just gonna take you guys along through the process. So actually, this wig is not that bad despite what the person thinks, but we're gonna nurse it. We're gonna nurse it back to life, and then we're gonna really let them know. And throughout the video, do not mind the hair on my head, okay? This is curl hair from yesterday, flat iron curl hair from yesterday. And it's not about me, it's about the, what is it called? The restoration, rejuvenation, revitalization of this unit. So let's go. So our first matter is within the lace. Y'all see the buildup of the glue and adhesive. So step one, we gotta clean all of that up. So to start with the lace, we are gonna just take any shampoo. Any shampoo really works really. So I have a tea treatment shampoo from OGX. And we're gonna start by wetting the lace. You want to use lukewarm water, not cold, not hot. And that's just gonna get all of this glue and build up ready. It's like knocking on the door, like letting it know, oh yeah, you finna get this work. Now we're gonna take our shampoo and spread it on the lace nice. To begin, we're gonna use our hands and just massage it through the lace so it can get towards the other side. Once you feel like your shampoo has seeped through, go check to make sure. Listen, when dealing with weave, frontals, closures, wigs, units, all of that, a toothbrush is going to be your friend. So I'm gonna take this toothbrush and wet it. Put a little more shampoo on there if you need to. And we gonna just scrub up under that lace. Now, once you have finished scrubbing the lace on the front part, you want to flip that bad boy over. And before you start to go, try your best to push all the hair backwards. Just so you can get access to the lace a little bit more. And once you get some hair out of your way, start to scrub that other side. That's when you come in.
You know this juice scrap?
So now that we have cleaned off all of that buildup on the lace, yes ma'am, we're gonna get ready to wash the wig as a whole. Don't try to clean your lace and then not wash your wig, because you see all the buildup gets in the hair. So just go ahead and knock that out. And to avoid getting rips and tangles, do a light brushing or use a wide tooth comb, because you don't want to put this shampoo in your hair, wash it, and then it gets all matted and tangled up further more than what it already is. So remember, be real gentle. You can be gentle and get the job done. Start from the bottom and work your way through those knots. Once you get up to the lace and up to the tracks, that's when it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but still don't start yanking, because then you're going to pull your hair out and then it's going to be looking thin. By the lace, I'm going to take a brush because it's going to be a little bit harder to get through all of that with a comb. I'm just going to take all these knots out. Like, look at it. Compare this side to this side. You feel me? slight difference, but it makes a difference, okay? Now to wash our hair today, I am going to be using Sensual Soft Tsubaki maybe Blossom Shampoo by OGX again. I'm just using this, gonna make it real nice and soft. You feel me? Get that hair feeling silky. But also, you want to use a shampoo that is going to clean up any product that you may have put in, build up, oils, sprays, shine serums, all the above. Wet your hair first with lukewarm water, remember. Really get up in there with the shampoo, because one, you want to get all that buildup that came from the lace out, but also any type of products that you might have put on the hair, don't forget to turn it over and get all of this too. This may not be hair, but it is caps. Still need to get that too. Just look at it. You can even see how it's not white, how the soap suds is not white. All of that dirt, get it out of there. Next, we are going for the thing that is going to save your hair. That is your conditioner. I'm using the Shea Soft and Smooth conditioner from, once again, OGX. And this smells so good. I used to use this on my natural hair, but I got so much of it. And it works really well with weave, so I'm gonna use this, get this baby real nice and soft. One thing about it, conditioner is your best friend, so do not be afraid to go in, okay? Coat that hair. Giving me more slip already. The ends of your unit, weave, wig, whatever, is going to be most delicate, so make sure you get down there. Don't neglect. Now, because the conditioner makes the hair softer and gives it more slip, now is a nice time to go in and just brush or comb through any of those tangles that you might have created while shampooing and conditioning. Now, because conditioning your hair is such a key element to restoring it, we're gonna let this conditioner sit on here for minimum 10 minutes just to create this silky, like, look how much slip, I don't know, I couldn't pronounce that, but look at how much slip I'm getting already just from the conditioner being on here and brushing through. Now we're just gonna let it sit a little bit more. Yes, I'm in a completely different outfit, different hair, everything than when I first started filming, because that was earlier in the day, but I had to take a pause because I ended up going out to eat and I just got back. So now I'm continuing and I'm finishing up with the wig. I'm looking like Wizard Kelly look. Only trying to show y'all this, hold on, my bad y'all. But my overall recommendation would be to let your hair air dry, because it's best to keep as much heat away from it as possible, just like you would with your natural hair. And less manipulation, the better. But if you are in a rush, in a hurry, or you need to get your hair dry as fast, I recommend Maui Moisture's weightless oil mist, just regular. But if the hair is damaged, brittle, chemical overload, anything, then I recommend Maui Moisture's Bamboo Fibers for weak and brittle hair. Oh, this is coconut milk. I don't know. I'm gonna just put both of them right here so you guys can see. Ooh. Ignore my nails, okay? Can't be dying and doing all that stuff with hair with nails. I'm not gonna pay all that money for them to just get messed up. Anyways, y'all, but I'm gonna let it air dry. So that takes a good little minute. You gotta have patience to let your hair air dry. I'm not gonna lie.